Well, our old system was pen and paper.
We came from a system that was largely paper-based.
Well, it helps keep track of a lot of stuff that you might forget now that we're not using paperwork anymore.
We run our maintenance shop of our main location here, and we have a crew of 8 people, techs that manage all of the equipment that runs in and out of this facility, and our Tampa office as well. EMDECS was suggested to us by some other carriers. We reviewed the software. We liked it. We wanted to ultimately get to where we could get our cost per mile sorted out so we can better understand our expenses, and this was the best way to do it.
It's made changes in our week-to-week operations just by getting the information more real time. Before, we didn't know what we were missing. Now we can see what we're missing and we can chase that down instead of the other way.
Last technician that we brought on, and I think within 3 days, he basically knew how to navigate the system.
We're probably saving, I'm guesstimating, maybe about 30 hours per week.
It's helped us laser focus in on some areas that we can do better in the maintenance operation as well. The aspect of being able to see where our costs are going into, where it was much more of a challenge with pen and paper. It's been our biggest benefit.